This is how you make one of the best chicken kabsa. Hey salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making chicken kabsa. Chicken kabsa is a world famous dish in Saudi Arabia, Yemen, UAE. I'm gonna serve this kabsa with a really nice yogurt cucumber sauce. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. First, let's prep all the ingredients. Here I've got brown onions. You want to thinly slice them. Make sure to keep the shape nice and even. Also using here 2 tomatoes, again evenly chop them. Here goes some of the garlic cloves, again I'm just gonna finely chop these. For the kabsa, these are the spices that we're gonna use, quite authentic. Here I've got black cumin seeds, coriander seeds, black peppercorns, cinnamon stick, green cardamoms, cloves, and some of the nutmeg. So I'm just gonna throw these into a blender. In that we're gonna throw in turmeric and a good touch of salt. You could also use a bit of paprika, but it's not traditional. Now remove the spices onto your plate, and in that we're gonna throw in some of the black lime. With the help of your knife you want to pierce it just so we can extract more flavor out of it. For the rice I'm using basmati. You want to wash them to remove the excess starch and leave them soaked in water for at least 30 minutes. I'm also using some of the chicken stock cube and some green chilies. Stock cube is not traditional, but I'm using it just for more flavor. And finally I'm using a whole chicken for our kabsa. You could also use chicken thighs instead. Grab yourself a pan, turn up the heat to a medium. With the oil. And for more flavor, I'm also going to use some of the ghee. Let them melt. Alright, first we're going with our chicken. If you're using with the skin side goes down first. We're going to get a nice sear on the chicken, and then we're going to throw in our onion. And now carefully turn the chicken around. We got a beautiful sear on the chicken. Now let it cook from the other side for a few more minutes. And now just remove the chicken onto your plate. In the same pan, we're going to throw in our onions now. A really good mixture of that. Now we're looking for a golden brown color on those onions. A bit darkish brown, you know. Make sure to keep stirring it so we get an even color all around the onions. I'm just gonna leave them covered for around 5 minutes and let them cook. Alright, let's check this. Bismillah. Give that a good mix. Nice golden brown, exactly what we're looking for. Now when it starts to get brown, we can throw in our garlic. Again, we're gonna toast that garlic. Kill the smell of the garlic. Another minute or so. Beautiful, nicely fragrant, exactly what we're looking for. And now I'm going with our tomato paste. I'm just gonna lightly toast this as well before we throw in our tomatoes. Mix it properly, get the raw taste out of it. Like I said before, one of the best chicken kabsa that you guys gonna try. It's gonna be absolutely mouth-watering, so much flavor in this dish. Look at that, amazing. Exactly what we're looking for at this point. Another 20-25 seconds. Going with our spices and tomatoes. The water from the tomatoes will help, you know, with the spices. It will not let them burn. I'm just gonna toast everything again. Wow, smells really delicious, you know. Give it 3 minutes now. Leave it covered. Alright, let's check this. Tomatoes are nice and soft, exactly what we're looking for. A really good mix that. Amazing. Now going with our water. In that we're gonna throw in our chicken stock cube. Few bay leaves. A really good mix of that. And now in that we're gonna throw in our chicken along with any leftover juices. Give that a really good mix again. Now cover and let this cook for around 40 minutes or so until the chicken is completely done. It's been around 20 minutes, let's check this. Oh, looks amazing, lot of steamy. In that I'm just gonna throw in our 2 green chilies and cover it back. We're going to serve our chicken kabsa with a very nice yogurt cucumber sauce. Going with the yogurt, thinly sliced cucumber, make sure to remove the seeds. juice of half a lemon in there. Also go add some of the finely chopped coriander, 1 clove of fresh garlic for more flavor, some black pepper, a light touch of cumin, good pinch of salt, and some milk. Give that a really good mix now, and make sure it's nice and smooth. It's gonna go perfect with our chicken kabsa, you know, amazing sauce. You can adjust the consistency by using more or less milk. Our amazing yogurt cucumber sauce, done. Alright guys, let's check our chicken. Alright, so the chicken is ready now. We're gonna remove it from this stock. Careful, try not to break the chicken, alright? Bismillah. I've already broken the leg. Great. And now I'm just gonna measure this water, how much water we have here. Now there is around 6 cups of water left around here. Now if you want, you can get rid of the bay leaves from this. Now it's the perfect time to throw in our rice. Give that a really good mix. We're gonna let the rice cook until there is some water left. At this point in time, you can also have a little taste of the stock and adjust anything if you need to. Best to leave it covered. Heat is still on medium. That looks amazing. Now there is some water left. At this point in time, we're just gonna cover the rice now. Cover it with a clean kitchen cloth. Place your lid. Make sure it's nice and tight. And now we're gonna let this steam up for around 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is completely done. The heat needs to be on low. Here we go, some of the ghee which has been mixed with some of the kabsa spice. I'm just gonna brush that onto our chicken. And then we're gonna bake the chicken just for extra color. Make sure to cover all parts of the chicken. It's gonna add a bit more aroma, a bit more color, a bit more taste. Make sure to follow these steps for the amazing chicken kabsa. Alright, now this goes into your air fryer or your oven. The temperature needs to be around 200 Celsius. Give it around 8 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, it's beautifully steaming. Let's check our rice now. Bismillah. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Just turn off the heat now. I'm gonna let all the steam escape. Alright, let's fluff up the rice. Look at that. Beautiful. Amazing. I'm just gonna show you a close-up. Look at that. Perfectly cooked kabsa, you know? Absolutely delicious. Just try not to break the rice. Just gonna carefully mix. Be gentle with them. Amazing. Alright guys, let's plate up our kabsa now. Our amazing chicken goes on the top. I'm gonna garnish this with some of the toasted almonds. Look at that. Beautiful. Use more or less depending on your liking. Also go add some of the fresh coriander. Serving it with our amazing mint yogurt sauce. And I also like to serve it with some of this hot sauce. That looks so delicious. Our mouth-watering amazing chicken kabsa. Done. You guys gonna really enjoy it with your family and friends. Alright guys, let's try our chicken kabsa now. I'm just gonna add some of our cucumber yogurt sauce. A light touch of hot sauce as well. Bismillah. Wow. That is so mouth-watering, trust me. The amazing Kabsa spice really take this to another level. It's one of the best dishes out there. The sauce, the rice, the crushed almonds. Wow, this is a perfect chicken kabsa, you know? What an amazing combination of flavors. Let's try our chicken. Bismillah. Perfectly cooked chicken, you know, it is so delicious, trust me. Is it better than biryani? We can debate that. Let's mix in some of the chicken along with the rice. This is just so mouth-watering, you know. You guys definitely need to make this. Bismillah. Wow. So delicious. So mouth-watering. I really hope you guys will enjoy this chicken kabsa with your family and friends. Please do me a favor and get this video to 5,000 likes. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.